guys! Welcome back to my channel, Goody Goody. For today, we're going to review another product, which is the aroma diffuser. So I thought of sharing this product because I guess it's very cheap and very good product. This is just for 300 pesos and meron na siyang remote control. So let's unbox this one first. So this came to me with a bubble wrap, pero inanawrap ko na siya 3 days ago, pero ngayon ko lang siya binuksan. So inside the box is this one. So meron siyang plastic sa loob. So what's inside of this box is the diffuser, and then the remote control na nasa likod na, and then itong instructions niya, yung manual niya, and then sa loob pala nandito yung charger niya. So, naka-bubble wrap din siya sa loob. Okay. Okay, ito yung charger niya. Buksan natin. Yung charger niya is black. Meron din pala siyang measuring cup, and isa to sa nagustuhan ko. So, what is inside the box is the diffuser, the measuring cup, charger, remote control, and the manual. Actually, pwede mo siyang bilhin with or without this one, but I chose this one kasi I chose with the remote na kasi magkano lang naman dadagdag 10 ata or 20 pesos. So, ito yung remote control niya. Let's remove and hihilain natin para sa battery. This diffuser pala, kaya niya hanggang 500 ml. Okay, so ngayon, dito try na natin. Kukuha lang ako ng tubig. Lalagyan ko siya ng 400 lang. Kasi 500 yung capacity nito, but I'll just put 400. So guys, nalagyan ko siya ng 400 ml. And guys, nakabili na rin pala ako ng oil from the same shop. So ito, 29 pesos lang ata siya each. And then I chose green bamboo and sandalwood. So bumili ako ng dalawang green bamboo kasi from the previous essential oil na gamit ko, ganun yung scent na nagustuhan ko. 1, 2, gawin na natin 3. Takpan na natin. Okay, make sure na nakaharap yung butas niya, yung hole, para dun sa mist. Okay guys, ito siya. So I will plug it in. Alright, so narinig nyo pa yung tunog na yun. So, it means naka-plugged in na tayo. So, ito. So, pag pinindot mo yung mist, dun pa lang mag-start. And then, ito, meron siyang light. So, let's try naman i-open yung light, i-turn on yung light. So, that one is working. Pero hindi ko alam kung ito, yung function niya is high and low lang, and dito yung on niya. Pero nakasulat kasi dito mist. Anyway, try naman natin yung remote. So, I'll turn it off. Okay, so it's working so well. On natin ulit. Okay, and then we'll try. Ang ganda ng usok niya, oh. And then try natin yung intermittent. So, mas lumakas yung usok na linalabas niya. And then, try natin yung continuous. Mas malakas yung buga niya. And then, meron pala siyang timing. So, when you click that one, so malilipat siya dito. So meron siyang 60, I guess it's 60 minutes and 120 minutes and 180. So try natin siya, pindutin ulit. So it's working. So on 60, 120, 80, and then pupunta siya sa on. So pwede pala siya timer guys. So if you just want 180 minutes, so pwede mo siyang i-timer na ganon. And then if ayaw mo naman, pwede mo lang siyang hayaan and then mag-stop siya pag na-drain na or wala na siyang water. And then, yung light, try natin yung light. Meron tang 7 na LED light. So, this one is red or orange. Ayan. Ito, I think it's blue. Ayan guys, so you can choose purple. So it's really good and it's really working. I'm so happy. And aside from that, malakas yung buga ng ano niya, ng mist niya. So it's fine. It's really good. And okay na rin yung ano, yung laki niya for 300 plus. And aside from that, 500 ml na yung capacity niya. So ito, it can use as your light sa room. So guys, pag bumili kayo, you try this one, yung green bamboo. Napakabungo niya, sobra. And then, I think ito yung pinakamabango nila. Yeah, plus yun ko to kasi ang laki ng ano, yung sold items nila. It's 17,200 yung sold items nila. And sila yung pinakamataas na ratings sa Shopee. And sila din yung pinakamataas na benta ng mga humidifier. So, yung nakita ko as of now, it's 17,200 na yung sold na items na ganito. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. So, yan, if you want iwas baho sa bahay and sa room, you go for this one. It's really working. It's really effective. And sobrang sulit. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye-bye!